find the currents and things down inside there. Okay. So let's find V3 now. Okay. V3 is going to be IR. Okay. The current is going to be the same current that goes through the 4 ohm, also goes through this resistor that we called A. Right? So that's going to be the current, right? B is not the current. The current is this guy, which we actually stored in F, right? It's going to be that current, and then it's going to be this resistance here, because the resistance from here to here is this whole thing here, right? The 8.972, right? So now I'm going to set that up, right? That's going to be, let's see, the current is 1.2199. That resistance is 8.972. Repeating, right? And this is, by the way, F-A. Somewhat surprisingly, it's Fa, right? So 1.2199, that's our current here. It's through the 4 ohm, right? Okay. So I go this times this. And what I'm going to do in the calculator is F times A, right? Alpha F should be the 1.2199. Alpha A should be the 8.972. So alpha F times alpha A. And I'm going to store that in, where are we on now? G. Whoops, not tangent. Alpha G. There we go. Okay. And that is 10.945 volts, right? So that's our V3 is 10.9. I guess I should say 10.9 with sig figs. Right? Now it's pretty easy. We know that the voltage across this circuit from here to here is 10.9. This guy is 10.945 volts, right? Okay. So now we can easily figure out, this is just a parallel circuit. That voltage is pushing current through this branch and this branch, right? And since this branch is 17 ohms, the current through the 9 is going to be that divided by 17, the 8 and the 9, right? So the current for the 9 is just that voltage, the 10.945 divided by 17. Okay, so I've got that on the calculator, and I can just go alpha G, which I've just stored, right, is that, right, and then divided by 17, so divided by 17, and I get the current, which is right down there, see? There's our current, I just got that guy, okay, so 10.945 divided by 17, and the answer to the 9 ohm one is 0.644 amps, so 3 sig figs, right? And then the current through the 19 is, we've got that voltage there, the 10.945, driving it through 19 ohms, right? So then it's going to be 10.945 divided by 19, so alpha G divided by 19 is 0.576. You gotta draw lines here. So 0.644 amps, and this one's 0.576 amps. These, by the way, should add up to that guy right there, right? I believe they do. Okay, so this guy is 0.576 amps, and that's what we got there, right?